Dudes, I just got new tires from Walmart. Walmart is amazing. I go to Walmart for all my grocery shopping. I go there for all my toiletries. I got my vacuum, microwave, AirPods. I get everything from Walmart. Everything that I can, I go there for. And somewhere like last year, I started going there for oil changes. I was going through the drive-through oil change places and they were fine. They're a little pricey, but I went to Walmart and they do the same exact work, full synthetic, and the oil changes come out to like $50-something. That's easy. So my Civic really needed new tires. I'm gonna go on a trip next week. I'm gonna do a lot of driving, so I'm gonna need new tires. So I showed up this morning about, I don't know, it's probably 2.5 hours. I did have to wait a little while, but I showed up at a busy time, so that's my fault. But oh my God, what a big difference new tires make on your car. It's actually really impressive. It feels totally different. It's a lot quieter. The road noise is like almost non-existent compared to what it was before I got new tires. I mean, the ones that I had, I should have taken a video of the ones that I had, but the front left tire was like ripping. So it was on its last leg for sure. I just saw my Corvette. That guy's the same Corvette as me. Anyway, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna show you guys in a second how much I paid. Very, well, I don't want to say cheap. Maybe cheap is the right word. I'll use the word inexpensive because I don't want to say they're cheap. But anyway, there's this Walmart that I choose to go to in Roseville, and I really like the auto guys there. They're always really nice to me. They're very honest, and they just get stuff done. And there's this really cool guy there. Maybe I'll show you guys him next time if he's comfortable on camera. But his name's Dave, and he has like a James Hetfield handlebar mustache. He's f***ing awesome. When the tires almost fell off the Corvette, I brought it in, and he tightened them for free. Super nice guy. And then he came over and he talked to me for maybe 10-15 minutes about it, and gave me some advice and told me about his 2000 Camaro SS that he owns, which obviously has the same powertrain as the Corvette, so, you know. But anyway, he was there again today. He recommended like a Goodyear, some sort of Goodyear tire he recommended, but we couldn't find it. By the way, can you guys hear that exhaust drone? It's at 2,000 RPM. Yeah. There it is. That's my $170 exhaust. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna order an NVIDIA Q300 soon, so it's gonna sound a lot better when I get that on. Alright, so let's see here. So it came out to $302.36, not bad for 4 brand new tires. They are, let me get you the tire model. I do remember that they're Douglas tires, and it's like, so Douglas tires are made by Goodyear. It's basically like the Great Value brand that Walmart has for like food items. So Goodyear has a contract with Walmart because Walmart sells so many of their tires. Goodyear makes a specific tire brand called Douglas just for Walmart to use and sell. I got some pretty decent tires. They're rated for like 45,000 miles, and I know that's not phenomenal, but the car is very quiet and it feels very smooth, and it's just crazy how big of a difference new tires can make. This is the first time I've gotten new tires on this car. So another cool thing about Walmart is that when you buy tires from them, they rotate them. They give you free rotation every 7,000 miles for the life of the tire. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, if you're going to like a garage or an auto body shop or to see a mechanic and you run into a guy with a handlebar mustache, chances are he's gonna know his shit. I don't know, that guy Dave, he's a great guy. But yeah, I go to Walmart for my oil changes. I obviously just got tires from them. So if you need new tires, I definitely recommend Walmart. If they don't have them in stock, they can order them very quickly and they can get them in within like a day or a couple days. If I wanted to wait a few days, they could have ordered some Goodyears for me that had a rating of like 60,000 miles and were about like $10 or $12 more a tire. So, I mean, that obviously sounds like it's worth it. These are totally fine. The ones that I got on, they were $56 a tire. Anyway, stay tuned for more stuff on the Civic. I'm going to be doing some modifications here shortly. I'm going to order an exhaust and downpipe, and I'm going to change the front bumper and a whole bunch of cool stuff. So If you'd like to see that, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.